So I am doing my first unboxing from Amina Muaddi. It's my first pair of shoes from her. So it took me forever to find these shoes because I got them so late. But I really like, another thing, I ordered them from Farfetch. That's one thing. These shoes were hard to find. I got them from Farfetch in, I don't know if it was Australia or from, or Europe, but I had to call. Actually, it wasn't Farfetch. It was Net Porter. So, yeah, and they came really fast. I ordered them like 48 hours ago, and they came super fast. That's Pillar. She's doing an unbox. Say hi. Not gonna say hi? Hi? Yes, hi. Okay, so they came like this. And it has like one of these, I don't know, do they slide out? Let me see. I think the bottom, yeah, it opens like this. Oh, that's so pretty. This bag is so pretty. Like, I'm impressed by this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful in the texture. Usually, I got a lot of designer shoes, but usually they just send like little cotton bags. Like, you know, like they're just like cotton or like a canvas. But this satin, wow. Wow. And then the satin rope closure. Wow, I'm very impressed. I love it. Paper. Aww. And these are the shoes. So I got these for my birthday. I'll be turning 30. So I'm kind of getting my outfit together. And I always wanted these shoes. I actually wanted the pink ones, but they were sold out. I couldn't find them. I could barely find these. There were only 2 left in the world that were, you know, maybe you could probably find them on Poshmark, but you can't find them on a lot of websites. Only in my size. Like there were 2 left. Actually, 1 left in my size, and the other one was like a 39.5. I usually am a 40, but they said that these run small. Oh my God. I love these. I'm gonna try them on. Give me 1 second. Take off my sock. Oh my gosh, yeah, they fit perfect. And they're comfortable, like, wow. Wow. Can you see? Wow. I'm impressed. Look at it, I'm impressed. Aww. I love that it's like this tan color, so it's like, it'll just go with anything, any and everything. I feel like it's a little bit wide. Maybe I could have gotten a 40, but it's okay. Let's walk over to the mirror. I hope I was recording this the right way. Okay, now it's up there. Wow. They are super cute. Wow. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. But yeah. And they're like heavy, but they're light. Like they're heavy, like they feel like a quality shoe. Like when you pick it up. But on, they're like light. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall. It doesn't feel like I'm like, gotta tiptoe around. The chunky heel is really coming through with the stability and the sturdiness. But yeah. I hope you guys liked. I hope you guys liked my first unboxing. Let me know if you want me to do more. Okay? Bye. Okay, guys. So I hope this view is okay. I just wanted to try them on for you. They are super cute. Like, I love them. So I have this thing with my feet where one of my foot is a little bit bigger than the other. So this one feels loose and it has some space, but this one is fine. They are so comfortable. It's like I can do so much. I can walk fast. Like, they are super cute. Okay. I don't know if you need a close-up. Do you need a close-up? I also wanted to say that this color was on sale. This shoe makes me want like all the colors. Like I want to get the black ones, I want to get the pink ones, and these ones. Like this is that type of shoe. It goes with everything. Like I have on a sweatsuit, and it looks cute. It's like, what if I put on this jacket? It'll probably look cute too. Like, I'm very happy. Pillar, do you like my shoes? You think they're cute? You like my shoes? Shoes. Shoes. Want to put them on? You put them on. Hold on. This way. Okay. Can you walk? Can you walk? Pillar in her first pair of shoes. She cannot walk in these. She always usually puts my shoes on now. Okay. Say bye-bye. I really love them. Oh my God. You can't wear them, baby. Okay.